Wait a minute. Hey guys, and welcome to another chaotic unboxing involving Fox. Say hi! So we've got Degustabox today. He just saw it and said, "Might I open that one?" So I said, "Yeah, alright then, mate." Wait. Degustabox, if you don't know, is a monthly food subscription box. Wait, mister. Oh, here comes another child and a cat. Yeah, Degustabox is a monthly food subscription box. It's like 11 or 12 quid a month. I pay for this myself. Gary, get off my laptop. Move your cat, Aria. Move the cat. Oh, for fuck's sake, Ben's now coming in with the dog. It's just everybody nice and chaotic in the holidays.
Gary, just type.
Ari, just shut my laptop a minute, because then Gary can't step on it.
Give me a kiss.
You cuddling your piggy? Oh, that nice.
12 seconds later.
That's a Foxy good one hat in that box.
This box says Foxy's a good boy and has a snack box.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Foxy's here. We've just ripped it, but it wasn't filming it. So it's Degustabox. Foxy wants to help me. Oh no, did it get your finger stuck?
Yeah.
Give it a little wiggle. Ooh, wiggle that finger. It's like £11 a month. I pay for this myself. Yeah. We're just going to jump in because he's not going to wait, so. Right. You ready to try stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Mummy's in charge. So, you get all your little bits and bobs in. This month is back to school and relaxing evenings.
Hey.
What was that?
Make a naughty.
She's very naughty. So yeah, you get a little thing every month to tell you what's in it. And we're going to grab something. So the first thing we've got, oh, it's kombucha. I love kombucha. This is Good Earth. And it's £1.60. Kombucha is always so expensive. Bursting with a refreshing splash of pomegranate and blueberry juice. This specially brewed kombucha is packed with natural wow, using the best black teas and lovingly fermented our kombucha with live cultures to create a unique kick. I'm not going to have it now because it needs to be cold and this has been sat out. But that looks good. Oh, what's this? Strawberry milk.
Can I see?
You can see.
Can I have one?
You want one?
Yeah.
You should receive one of two. So we've got the strawberry ones. These are £1.80. You want to try one?
Yeah.
Milk. Who likes milk?
No.
Foxy does like milk.
Milk.
Made with 91% milk. So a little bit of 100% milk nearly. There you go. Don't spoil it. It's strawberry milk. You don't like it?
No.
No, that's okay. Is that okay? Shall I see if I can find anything else for you to try? Right, I've got biscuits. We've had these before. I don't know if we've had them in here before, but I've had them in a box. These are the strawberry ones. They're strawberry smiles. Do you want to try them or do you want the chocolate ones?
I'll put that there.
Okay, you put that there.
That pile.
That is a pile. And these are the big chocolate ones. Do you want to try one of these? It's a biscuit.
No.
No? Can I try one?
No.
No? Okay.
Put that there.
Okay. Next up, we've got some beef noodles. 5 spice beef noodles. They look good. These ones are... This sound cute. Cup noodles. So you either get 5 spice beef or katsu curry.
I made triangle.
You made a triangle? Oh, that's very nice.
I need it.
Okay, you need this one. Fox needs this. This is £1.75, which is ridiculous for a little pot of noodles.
Gary.
Oh, Gary sat on it, has he? Gary's a cat. If it's your first one. What's Gary sat on? Your triangle?
No.
Okay, here you go.
I'm a bit triangle.
You want a big triangle? Ooh, Korean barbecue soy-free sauce.
I need
That looks good.
More triangle.
I'm not sure how this is back to school relaxing evening. Maybe you could have this as a dinner. On a dinner.
I'm making
Spicy Gangnam style sauce. Kelp-based sauce gets its flavour from red jalapenos and sesame tahini. Great for a barbecue, dipping or marinades. Gluten-free and vegan. That looks really good. I'll give that a try. I'm not going to have it now. I don't fancy just eating some sauce right now. We've got some veggie hoops. £1.25. I don't eat anything like that. Anything like that we don't eat will just go to a food bank. Are you just getting... Mummy needs to actually look at stuff. Let Mummy look and see what it is. What is that? Heart of Palms lasagna sheets. Wait. Where are you? Why can't I see it? Oh. So this is pasta. You either get linguine, angel hair, or lasagna, rice or mash. Wait a sec. Palmia Mini is a delicious pasta rice mash alternative made out of hearts of palm. When this nutritious cut is cooked in the proper way, you'll hardly notice the difference. Low calories, low carbs, sugar-free. Wow. 3 servings per container, so it's only got 60 calories in for this whole thing. But I don't know. I'll give it a go. It might be gross, but we'll see. But again, that's not really back to school and relaxing evening. Horlicks. Vegan Horlicks. £3.49. We all know what Horlicks is, but it's just a vegan version.
Yeah.
You put that one over there. What else have we got? There's nothing to bloody eat yet. Urban Fruit. Glow. £3. These are 100% natural with no artificial ingredients. Oh, it's just like a dried fruit snack. He's just taking everything. We've got Dr. Willis All Natural Classic Mayo. Again, back to school and the relaxing evenings. The themes on Degustabox are just always shit. Oh, you could have got chili mayo or classic mayo. I don't eat mayo. I never have. I never will. Just the idea of it just grims me out. But Ben loves it. Our mayonnaise recipes are sugar-free and are packed with quality ingredients. That's glass, so be careful. And all we've got left is one thing, which is a Perry. No, this one's a big bottle. £2.20, more like a wine than a cider. It's Peckham's Triumph Perry. Is a medium dry perry with honey caramel and subtle elderflower notes. Well, what do we think? I'm not overly blown away. That's probably my favourite thing in the box. The kids will eat the biscuits, definitely. What do you reckon, Foxy? Thumbs up or rubbish?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up? You show everybody?
Rubbish.
You think it's rubbish?
Yeah.
He thinks it's rubbish.
Put that in there.
Yeah, Degustabox, that is your verdict from a 3-year-old. He says it's rubbish. So, the master has spoken. All these little bits you get are like vouchers for things off. So, you just putting it all back in for me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. What a lovely boy. Give Mummy that packet of biscuits, this one. I want to see what they're like. We're going to open this and see what these are like. 84 calories a biscuit. They look quite good. Get out of your prison. Who's that happy face?
Me.
Is it you?
Who's in it?
It's a chocolate biscuit. Mummy's going to try it. You going to try it? Okay.
Hello, our name's Poop Poop Bum.
Hello, your name's Poop Poop Bum. Hello, my name's Boy.
Hello, our name's Poop Poop Bum.
Hello, put it in toaster.
I'll cook this.
You can eat it. The biscuit's really buttery and nice. I like them. What do you reckon?
Good.
You'll go give one to your sisters. One for Mika.
One for Arya.
And one for Arya. Here you go, take Arya's. There you go. Off you pop. Smell you later. That was a box. Let me know what you think. I'll let you know what this is like. I'll drink it. I'll put it on the screen when I edit what this is like. And anything else that we try in between now and editing. So, yeah. Thumbs up, subscribe, all the good stuff. Thanks for watching. Love you, bye.